finished installation of the culverts for the carriageway. We are now waiting for the road to cure. In the guidance by Ministry of Works, it takes 28 days for the concrete to cure effectively. We are allowing the period of 28 days to expire so that the road can be opened to the public. This road uses heavy vehicles, the Fusos, the Magurukumi, all of them pass through that road. It's a very busy road. We don't want to compromise the works that the engineering department has done by having the culverts to fail again and carving again after working on it. So we request the public to be a little bit patient, because when that period is over, we shall obviously come and grade we are even grading the entire stretch, as well as grading and compacting and putting soil on that very area where we have the culvert installed. So the public should be a little bit patient with us. We only have 1 week to go, and the road will be open to the public. It's not that people are not working. People are working. We are aware that we have to complete this road, and we are going to complete it. I thank you. Town clerk Kibuga Kyemukono Municipal Council. By'oluguudo lwa Festina twamaze kuinstolinga culverts. Twatandika nga Christmas enatuuka. Twamaze kuinstolinga ezo culverts, ate kyali mu period kwalawenga ezo culvert kichua kala nga tunaba motoka kuyita ku culvert ezo. Mu biragiro bya engineer balagira nti olindako ebiro 28 nga wali kintu kyonna kigenda ku culvert ezo aggregate zetuteeseko. Guno mulimu twagutandise ebiro nga 20 bya December. Ate kitegeeza nti twakamala ebiro nga 20 so far nga tumaze kuteekako ku ezo aggregates culvert ezo. Oluguudo lutwala lorezi ne Fuso ne Magurukumi, ate zino vehicles zibeera heavy. Bw'ogula ku luguudo nga tulunaba kukala bulungi, tugenda kukavinga in. Ate ekyo kiba kitegeeza nti abantu bagenda kutwakyuzinga nti twakoze shode work, kubanga omulimu nga twagukola n'obwegenderevu bungi. So we appeal yaffe ku bantu babeere bakakamu kubanga byonna ebyetaagisa weebiri n'ettaka ly'okuteekako ku mutwe weebiri ebiro bwe biggwa ebyo byonna tugenda kusanga twabikoze twalawinge traffic to go on that road again. So ndowooza twamaze ebbanga ng'oluguudo lumenyese, solution twagifunye, ate ba leaders baffe bagambe abantu babeera bakakamu balawinge process